Point-of-care testing represents a significant leap forward in healthcare, offering convenience, speed, and accessibility for both patients and providers. These testing methods, conducted at or near the site of patient care, bypass traditional laboratory settings to deliver immediate results. Encompassing rapid diagnostic tests, home testing kits, and mobile health technologies, point-of-care testing has redefined diagnostic processes by emphasizing timeliness and adaptability. This shift plays a crucial role in streamlining medical decision-making, managing diseases, and enhancing patient outcomes. Rapid diagnostic tests, RDTs, form the backbone of point-of-care testing, offering quick and straightforward results for a variety of health conditions. These tests are particularly valuable in situations where time is of the essence, such as detecting infectious diseases like influenza, malaria, or COVID-19. The appeal of RDTs lies in their simplicity and portability, often requiring minimal equipment and expertise to perform. Utilizing immunoassays, lateral flow devices, or molecular methods, these tests identify pathogens or biomarkers with remarkable efficiency. Their deployment is especially impactful in emergency settings, remote locations, or during public health crises, where traditional laboratory infrastructure may be unavailable. By providing almost instantaneous answers, rapid diagnostic tests empower clinicians to make informed decisions on treatment and management, significantly reducing the delay between diagnosis and care. Home testing kits have further revolutionized the concept of diagnostics by placing health monitoring into the hands of individuals. These kits are designed to be user-friendly, enabling people to perform tests in the comfort and privacy of their homes. Covering a wide range of applications, from pregnancy tests and glucose monitoring to cholesterol checks and genetic screening, home testing kits cater to diverse healthcare needs. They promote patient autonomy by allowing individuals to monitor their health regularly without the need for frequent visits to healthcare facilities. Advances in technology have enhanced the accuracy and reliability of these kits, making them an integral part of chronic disease management and preventive care. Moreover, home testing kits have become increasingly popular in public health initiatives, enabling widespread screening and early detection of conditions, which ultimately reduces the burden on healthcare systems. Mobile health technologies represent the pinnacle of innovation in point-of-care testing, integrating digital solutions to extend the reach and capabilities of diagnostics. Smartphones, wearable devices, and portable diagnostic tools have transformed the way health data is collected, analyzed, and utilized. These technologies enable real-time monitoring of vital signs, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation, providing patients and providers with continuous health insights. Mobile apps and connected devices also facilitate telemedicine by transmitting diagnostic data directly to healthcare professionals, enabling remote consultations and personalized care. The versatility of mobile health technologies is particularly valuable in underserved areas, where access to traditional healthcare services may be limited. Their integration with artificial intelligence and machine learning further enhances their diagnostic potential, opening new possibilities for precision medicine and predictive analytics. Together, these components of point-of-care testing, rapid diagnostic tests, home testing kits, and mobile health technologies represent a transformative shift in the way healthcare is delivered and experienced. By bringing diagnostic capabilities closer to the patient, these methods prioritize accessibility and efficiency without compromising on accuracy. Advances in materials science, biosensors, and connectivity continue to refine these tools, broadening their applications and improving their reliability. In an era where early detection and proactive management are paramount, point-of-care testing stands at the forefront of medical innovation. It not only bridges gaps in healthcare delivery, but also empowers individuals to take charge of their health, shaping a future where diagnostics are as seamless and integrated as they are essential.